Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change equalizer preset for your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open settings, then click on the settings icon. You should go to connected devices after, and after that click on the settings icon near to your headphones. Then scroll down and we can see aligned what name sound, so click on it. And right here we have equalizer presets, so choose the best one for you. Let's say I prefer bass boost, so I choose heavy bass. Also I can change my own preset right here, but yeah, I wanna heavy bass. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.